Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LingQ on your smartphone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install LingQ on your smartphone, begin by unlocking your device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type LingQ and press enter. Locate the LingQ app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app ratings and reviews if you would like. To download the app, press the Get button on iPhone or the Install button on Android. If prompted, confirm the installation by entering your Apple ID password or Google credentials. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the LingQ icon on your home screen. Tap the LingQ icon to open the app for the first time. You may be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you are a new user, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and tap Login. After logging in, you will be guided through a brief tutorial about the app's features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its layout and tools. You are now ready to start using LingQ on your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.